In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pivot table in your report. First things first, it's essential to have your data source connected with all the necessary dimensions and metrics. This setup forms the backbone of your pivot table, ensuring you have all the information at your fingertips to generate insightful analysis. Once that's in place, the next step is to add your pivot table chart. For this, click on Add a Chart and then select Pivot Table from the options presented. This action will insert a new pivot table chart into your workspace, where you can begin customizing your data visualization. Now let's move on to setting up the chart using the Setup panel located on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll need to specify your data source. This is basically where the data for your pivot table is coming from. It's crucial to select the correct one to ensure accuracy in your analysis. Moving down the Setup panel, you'll find the options for row dimension and column dimension. Under row dimension, you'll want to add one or more dimensions that are relevant to your data exploration. For instance, you might consider including dimensions like country or product category. These will help segment your data and provide a structured view of the information you're analyzing. Next is the column dimension, where you can add up to 2 dimensions. These will pivot and display as column headers in your table. Carefully choosing your column dimensions can create a data table that's not only informative, but also easy to navigate and understand at a glance. Now we'll turn our attention to the metrics section. This is where you add the value or values that you want to summarize. Think of metrics as the numerical data points, like sales, costs, or clicks, that you're looking to analyze. Adding the right metrics will enable you to effectively measure performance indicators pertinent to your data analysis goals. If your dataset includes a date dimension, you have the optional but advantageous step of setting a default date range. This feature allows you to restrict your data view to a specific time frame, making it easier to focus on trends and patterns within the period you're interested in. Once your pivot table is set up, it's time to make it visually appealing and easy to read by switching over to the Style panel. This is where you can indulge in a little customization, adjusting things like the background, row colors, and header fonts to enhance the aesthetic and readability of your table. A well-styled table can greatly improve the user experience, highlighting the most important data points. Finally, be sure to preview your table in view mode. This step is crucial to ensure that everything looks and behaves as expected. Check that you can expand and collapse sections if that feature is enabled, and confirm that totals are displayed where needed. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a pivot table that not only organizes your data efficiently, but also provides valuable insights into the dynamics of your report.